Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how you can use quick links in Collaboard. Quick links help you to navigate better around a Collaboard project. To create a quick link, just select an object, like in this case we are selecting here this text object. Click on the menu and now you can add here a quick link. And this will be our quick link number 1. As you can create quick links for single object, you can also create quick links for a group of objects, and to do this, go to the Area Select tool. Now select all the objects and say you want to create a quick link, and this will be now our quick link number 2. And now we are creating some more quick links. After we created all the quick links, there is now an option to display them, and in this case you click here on the navigator icon on the bottom of Collaboard, and what you see now, you see here all the quick links we created with a thumbnail, so you see also what content you selected. And what we can do now in this case, we just double click on this content and then we are directed automatically to the objects we selected for this quick link. And this is quite nice as it helps you to navigate much faster in a project. And if you want to delete the quick link, for example, you just click here on quick links again. And now what you can do, you can delete the quick link, or what you can do as well, and this is very useful, you can also share a link to a quick link. Now in this case you see the URL is copied to the board, and if we open a new tab and copy now this quick link, we are automatically directed to this region in the board. Thanks for watching, and if you have any feedback to the quick link feature, let us know in the comments below.